Kitty Cat and Joanie.
Hi. Are we being interviewed or are we taking a picture?
Yes, you're being interviewed. So you're at iPOP 2008 and
Hi, Joanie.
Joanie.
iPOP 2008. Thanks, Kat. Why don't you tell me what you're doing here tonight?
Drunk and watching kids dance.
Cheers.
Back to the interview.
Okay.
So what are you about to do? And now that you are drunk and having a lot of fun watching people dance.
Tell me what's going to happen now.
I'm all spending $150,000 in modeling contract. It's fabulous. Me and Kat are going to go out and say, congratulations.
Go ask you.
Yeah, and go give out some awards.
We're going to do cartwheels onto the stage.
Kat will.
You guys should kiss each other.
No!
Like the Madonna way.
Yeah.
Like the Madonna break for dinner.
You're like, I want to award this video. I want to award this award. I'm so happy for you. Are you happy for her?
I'll be like, I'm so happy for you.
And then you have like a deep, long look into each other's eyes, and then be like, wow. And then it just happens, like on stage, and like everybody in the crowd would be like a little uncomfortable. They'd be like, wow, because they would see that little gaze, and then all of a sudden they would realize like what happened, like 10 seconds later, and they would be like,
And then all the 5-year-olds would be like, Mommy.
I'm crying. They're crying. They don't know why.
That's horrible. You're horrible.
I'm sorry.
No, I'm just kidding. We're excited, aren't we?
Hey, I'm being interviewed right now. I can't talk. No, but I'm being interviewed. I can't talk right now.
It was fabulous. The dinner was awful. Then cinnamon chicken with gross booger insides and cardboard mashed potatoes and awful asparagus. It was disgusting. Never eat at the Hyatt Regency. Goodbye. Goodbye.